Yes, YouTube, been getting a lot of messages from you guys saying, how do we fix activation error? One second, I've got iPhone 6s. It was hard for me to get. I had to find the phone with activation error. A lot of you guys been asking me, so I have to deliver. So I managed to get hold of an iPhone with activation error, as you can see. The first thing what you need to do is you need a laptop, you need a USB cable, you need to download iTunes. If you don't know how to download iTunes, I will show you. Go to Google, type iTunes, then tap at the bottom where it says iTunes download, iTunes now. You can see, just click the download. Once you click the download, it will install on your computer or your Mac. I've already downloaded it, so once you download it, you've got the icon, so just run it. Once you run it, you'll have it. It will end up. Then open it. Once you open it, make sure you connect. Make sure you connect your phone to the laptop. As you can see, it's charging. So once you connect it, there's a couple of steps that I've already passed that you guys might need to do. Once you connect it, you need to connect. While the cable's connected, press the home button and power button together. I hope you can see it. So press it together, keep holding it, the phone will go off. Once it goes off, once you see the Apple logo, let go of the power button, keep holding it, that's it. Then let go of power button, keep holding home button, then let go of the home button too, and then I'll put the recovery mode on your phone. As you can see, I don't know if it's clear enough. There's a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. So you can either do two of them. You can update it or you can restore it. So I'm gonna update it. Once you update, but you need to, if you click update, I'll show you. It's gonna install a software on your, it's gonna download the latest software. As you can see, iOS 12.2 will require to download on your laptop. So once you click download and update, it's gonna install automatically. But for me, I've already downloaded it, so I don't waste too much time. So click and make sure your phone is still connected. Otherwise, it's not gonna read your phone. So click update. As you can see, it's at the top where I'll show you there. So this is gonna take a couple of minutes. It depends how fast your computer is. While we're waiting for the software to install on the phone, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any other problems, just let me know. Just leave the comments below. I'll try my best. We're almost there. My laptop is pretty slow. Be patient with me. We're almost there now. Now it's preparing for iPhone for software update. So now it's going to try and put the software on the phone. As you can see, the phone's gone off. Don't take your USB out. Make sure. I don't know if you guys can see at the bottom here. It's trying to install the software. If you have some problem, just let me know. I will try to find a solution for you guys. As you can see, it's trying to install the software on the phone. It's nearly finished, guys. As you can see, We're almost there now. We have another line again. You can see underneath the Apple logo. And this line is quick because the software is already installed. I took my cable off because I don't want to sync. My backup on this phone. So let's go to setup menu. I'll just show you if it's gone, if you fixed the error. Okay, I don't want to do the touchpad, the password, need to create a password. For the video, let's just do 000. Use anyway. As you can see, yeah, I'm gonna ask you restore from iCloud backup, restore from iTunes backup, set up as a new phone. So I'll make this set up as a new phone. After this stage, you're required to install your Apple ID. As you can see, once you put your Apple ID, you just click next. As you can see, guys, we need to finish. Just click agree, continue, use location disable. Just to show you guys, do this later, set up later. Oh, share. Choose a standard one, okay. There you go, guys. Now you got through the phone. If you find this helpful, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.